Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Aditya studying 10th standard in BMC Reddy International School. This is a video about physics project about the mediums. Okay, let us get into the video. What is a medium? The thing by which or through which something is done is called a medium. There are three types of mediums. Those are transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent. The object allows light to pass completely through it to see the object. Translucent. The object which allows light partially to pass through it to see the object. Opaque. The object which do not allow light to pass through it to see the object. Now we will discuss examples. Here, if you see, I took a box made by cardboard. I kept a doll inside that. If I close it, we can't see the object because it is an opaque cube. It does not allow light to pass through it and hit the object and reflects back into our eyes. Let us get into another example. If you see here, there is my hand. If I keep a book upon my hand, you can't see my hand because it is an opaque object. The book is an opaque here because it does not allow light to pass through it and hit my hand and reflects back into our eyes. So that we can say it is an opaque cube. Let us get into another example. If you see here, there is my hand. Just I am trying to close my hand with a glass. Okay. Now I completely closed my hand with a glass. You can see my hand clearly. Don't you think how it is? Because it is a transparent object. It allows light completely to pass through it to see an object. We will discuss more and more examples beyond this topic. If you see here, there is a marble, glass, and inside the glass there is a water. And take a marble and leave it into the water. Okay, now you can see a marble clearly when it is also left into the water, because water is a transparent object. So that we can see a marble clearly in the water. Can you guess what is our next example? Yes, mirror is our next example. Yes, I am taking here a mirror. I am taking mirror upon my hand. You can't see my hand because it is an opaque. It does not allow light to pass through it to see an object. So that the mirror is an opaque. Now I am taking our next example as spectacles. Spectacles are the best example for transparent. Now we can see how. Now I am taking a doll which I have took for the previous example of opaque. Now I took doll beyond the spectacles. You can see a clear view of doll. When it is also placed beyond the spectacles, you can see a clear view of doll, because it is a transparent object which allows light to pass completely through it to see an object. Our next example is plastic box. You may see here my hand somewhat blur when it is kept beyond the box, because it is a translucent object. Box is a translucent object because it allows light partially to pass through it. You can see here my hand outside and when it is kept inside the plastic box. Let us take another example to understand clearly. Our next example is plastic cover. You can see here my hand somewhat blur. It is not a clear view because the plastic cover is a translucent object. Let us get into another example, last example, but interesting example. Take a ball here, take a doll, close the doll with a ball. You cannot see the doll inside the ball because doll is an opaque here. Let us see the view of all examples categorized into table. This is the view of all examples categorized into table.